Hi guys. So I've been kind of AWOL this week, and it's for a few reasons. One was I was really ill for most of last week. I wasn't feeling well at all. And then when I did get a little bit of energy, I decided I really needed to do something about my house. I live in a house that was built in 1958, and it is just falling down around our ears. It has so many issues, so many problems. So I thought I'd like to let you look into my life and my house, which is kind of scary. So come along for the ride. All right, guys. So this is my floor right now. Yeah, my floor. Excuse the vacuum in my yoga ball. Not that I can do yoga in here right now because nobody wants to be on this floor. We ripped out some carpeting that was like over 20 years old. It was just so nasty. And then we got down to this concrete. So we're still in the process of lifting up some of the tiles. We want to get new floors put in, but that's going to be probably in the next few months. It's going to be expensive. I have a very old window here with a taped up hole. Yeah, this window needs to be replaced. I have walls that my husband's done some spackle on, but they need to be painted. This is my pet project right now. Let me see if I can get a good angle for you to see this. This was a very, very old wall unit. They call them shrunks in Germany. And we bought this shrunk in Germany, and it went through, 5 kids. This was the original color. And so I'm painting it, and I'll be antiquing it, blah, 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 so it looks nice. But yeah, you can see that this floor is just horrible. We're trying to repair a bunch of stuff. And this is just the living room. That's just the living room. That's not even, the rest of the house, because while we have had a lot of work done in the kitchen, the person who did the wiring, I don't know if they did something wrong or what, but here in my kitchen, on this side of my kitchen, I have no electricity. None. And then on this side of the kitchen, let me show up here, right above the stove, there's like nothing. There's no cupboard. We can't find a cupboard that will fit this area. That's pre-made. Can't find a contractor, can't find anyone who can, do what needs to be done. That is the big problem. I live in a very small town of about 2,000 people. We're very isolated. The closest large towns are about 50 miles away. So that means to find someone, we have to find someone who's willing to drive out here. And you know what? Not a lot of people are willing to drive out to a remote location. Dobby, what are you doing? I'm sorry, my cat is misbehaving. Dobby, what are you doing? Yeah, that's a box of books, because I was going through books to try and, get rid of them, and he's trying to get in with the books. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, cats love boxes, they do. So, yeah, going through stuff, downsizing, trying to get rid of things, because I have a lot of junk. Over the years you collect stuff, things that you just may not need anymore. And Dobby, do not chew on that book. No, that book is not for you to chew on. We turned it upside down so you can't chew on the pages. But I don't know what his issue is today. Yeah. All the other cats are like, what are you doing? We don't know. Oh. So anyways, that's kind of what I'm doing, is trying to get my house together, trying to feel better in between this, and also, you know, taking care of my cats and trying to keep my cats from destroying everything. I love them dearly, but you know what? They are brats. They're little brats, and they definitely do not behave. So I'll try and keep you guys updated, I guess, you know, as maybe, you know, oops, sorry. I'm holding the camera by hand, and I don't normally hold it. I have it on a tripod, but it's hard to carry it around through the house on a tripod. So maybe what I'll do is, you know, as I get little projects done and stuff, I'll just kind of show you guys, you know, maybe do a weekly update on the things that are going on. Hey, Rosie. There's Rosie. Hey, Rose. Hey, Rosie. Rose just cruising around. Yeah, it's kind of upset the cats a little bit, all the work in here. They, you know, they don't always understand what's going on, and they get a little upset. But I think they're gonna like some of the things that I'm gonna do, because like on the shrunk, I took the doors off. Well, I'm gonna paint some of those, turn them into shelves, and make little, you know, the little step shelves that go around a room that cats can climb on and hang out on. I thought that would just be a really cute thing and really nice for them. So I'm trying to get that done. And of course, you know, all the painting I did, I kind of messed up my elbows. Yeah, having a issue with the joints does not help when you're trying to do remodeling and creating and all of that stuff, but you just do what you gotta do. Take it a little bit of time, take rests when you can. And what are you doing? Hold on, more cats being weird. What are you doing? Get out of his shoes. So, I don't know what Skittles thought he was doing. Skittles! He was trying to get into my husband's shoes. And so he was either getting in there to play, or, little boy, were you getting in there to pee? Yeah. You are naughty. So, yeah, it's a constant fight with the cats to get things done, because they don't care. They just want to destroy. Cats are chaos. So, well, I will let you guys let you go, and maybe next week I'll give you another update on what's going on. I do have some other videos that are in the queue that I'm going to try and finish editing, so that you will have something to see. Other than that, you guys take care, and wish me luck on finding an electrician, because I need one desperately. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.